Hi guys, so this is a continuation from our first video, and this is also where you learn how to put on your magnetic eyelashes. So usually before I start, I like to practice with the applicator first for you to get to have a feel of it or how it feels like. Okay, first of all, understand your eye shape a little bit. Know where is the curve of your eyeball, because that's where you're supposed to sit in the middle of the applicator, because there's an angle here, right? Okay, so it's very easy. Take out your mirror, put that in front of you. Okay, tilt your head up and look down, because when you look down you can see that your eyelid falls down and is rested nicely. So put your applicator on to the top, slightly move up a little that you can see the inner part of your eyelid, and then close the bottom part. It's okay when you close it, you feel that the applicator is touching the bottom of your eyelid, because that is where you know that it's seated very close to the root of your lashes, and that is where it feels the most comfortable, and you won't feel like it's blocking your eyesight or you have something, you know, dangling on your lashes. So it feels very comfortable that you can wear it all day long. Okay, so let's try with the lashes. I hope you have learned how to put them on from our first video, so you can see that they're all facing upwards. Okay, so same thing, take your mirror, put it in front of you, tilt your head up and look down. So when you look down, rest the applicator, move up a little, and then close the bottom part. Close the bottom part of your lashes. There you go. Ta-da! That's how it looks like. You can see the difference with my right eye and my right eye and my left eye. Okay, it instantly brightens and make your eyes a lot bigger. Okay, so let's quickly try on the other side as well. So it's the same thing. Hold your mirror, tilt your head up and look down. Okay, so rest your applicator, move up a little, and then close it, and then remove it. Ta-da! Instantly you get your lashes on. Of course, it takes a bit of time to practice, but please be patient. With a few trials, you'll be able to get the lashes up easily on your eyes within seconds. Just a close shot for you to have a look. That's how it looks like. That's resting on the root of my lashes. Okay, so if you have any question, drop us a message or WhatsApp us. We will be happy to answer you or to teach you furthermore. So yes, thank you.